As Maulana Azad National Urdu University initiated this a wonderful celebration of Urdu journalism of last 200 years, we as the Henry Martyn Institute also join in hands with Maulana Azad National Urdu University as well as the Urdu Journalism Department and the entire community which celebrates the language. As a student of religion, I always felt that religion and its language is a tremendous liberating force. And it is very much felt, particularly in the Urdu language, that it has been a highly poetical and highly wisdom-filled literature. Looking back, Henry Martyn, I think he, in 1811, he first translated the Urdu New Testament, Injil, from English and Hebrew language to Urdu. So we already celebrated 200 years of Urdu Bible, and now it is coming to Urdu journalism. I have a very superior and a senior friend, Dr. Syed Zafar Mahmood, who always says that Urdu language has united the community at large, and particularly the Muslim community, which has extended so well in its cooperation, in its understanding, in its entrepreneurship, as well as in its theological development, and particularly challenging the community at large. So this particular celebration by Maulana Azad National Urdu University taking this initiative to remind us that language plays a huge role in building community. And if you look at Max Muller, when he started studying religion, he said philology, that is, language only builds the entire system of religion. And he said the thing that we are not able to express mythologically, or we expressed mythologically, he called it as a disease of the language. Whereas now we look at the Urdu language and we see that how it has expressed itself. And my senior director, who was the director of the institute for last maybe 25 years, from 1970 to 1995, Dr. Sam Victor Bhajan, who traveled through this institute from Mussoorie to Aligarh to Jabalpur to Lucknow, he says the entire path was a Urdu traditional path. And whenever he mentioned the language of Urdu, he gets into a kind of a trance. Get into a kind of a mystic expression. And I always love to see him, that the way that he expressed things in Urdu language. So it is empowering, it is strengthening, it is building the community. And today in our context, in our nation, Urdu language is a must, because this only can edify, this only can empower the community. And it can really take to the least, to the ground reality of the people. So as we celebrate this 200 years of Urdu journalism, we from Henry Martyn Institute, we like to join hands with Manu. As well, we wish that this will be an enterprising celebration where more people will enhance by encouraging as well as getting motivated to express themselves more and more in the language of the people. And this royalness and this poetical, expression should continue. And we wish all the best to Manu, and particularly to the Department of Journalism of Manu. Thank you very much.